Hello and welcome to my garden. In this video I will show you how I clip my box domes, and I will be visiting my mother's garden where she has created a border packed full of flowers that I find highly inspiring. It is the end of October and we were very lucky with some warm autumn days. Perfect to get some jobs done in the garden. One of the bigger annual jobs is clipping the box domes. In this border there are 8 of them. I start with covering the ground with an old sheet, making it easier to clear the clippings. I usually start with holding my shears the wrong side up, making it easier to create that round shape, and then I just make my way around following the curve of the dome. To cut the top of the box dome, I prefer to use my shears the right side up, but you have to be careful as a mistake is easily made in cutting too deep and making the top look flat. And while I will continue clipping the box domes, you can have some inspiration from my mother's garden. I visited her mid-October and her garden still looked as if it was midsummer. An explosion of flowers in a beautiful mix of whites, apricots, pinks and pale yellows. With roses, cosmos and dahlias in full flower. This border has a meandering path sided with white cosmos, leading to the back of the border, making it easier for her to maintain the border. As you can imagine, she has her hands full deadheading the cosmos. I hope you find her garden just as inspiring as I do, and I will definitely try to create something similar in one of my small borders next year. In the meantime, I've cut 2 more box domes and I'm now starting on my 4th one at the front. You can see that there are some brown patches in the box. These are caused by the box caterpillars. I use an organic spray to get rid of them, but you do have to keep a close eye on them from the beginning of April till September, as the moths will continue laying their eggs on the box leaves, and these will grow into caterpillars very quickly. To keep my bugs healthy, I give them some dried cow manure pellets at the end of winter and beginning of spring, at the same time that I feed my roses. I think it is advised to cut bugs before September, but I never stick to the rules. I like to cut them late so that it will look sharp and crisp during winter. I usually cut them in September, but as I was in South Africa during that time, I cut them in October, which I've done before and they will be perfectly fine. I noticed that when I cut my bugs earlier, they often get sunburned, resulting in a top of brown, almost white leaves that I will only recover from the next year. I think this border looks so much better with the box domes looking crisp again. I hope you enjoyed this video and perhaps it gave you some inspiration to do some topiary clipping yourself. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you next time.